Well, hi guys. Welcome to another Take a Look Tuesday, which is a chance for you to come into my studio space and for me to show you what I'm working on this week. It is less than 1 week until I install my show. I'm doing an MA in fine art, in case you'd not caught up with that. And today I'm in my college, and because my work is so big, I've actually been asked to start setting up early. So yesterday I installed the tent part, so I know you'd like to have a look. Let me turn the camera around and show you what is going on in here. Okay, so here we go. This is the gallery, Anglia Ruskin. I'll be putting details about the show on my social media very soon. But yeah, look at this. So this is made of lycra, and we've stretched up to the balcony and underneath the balcony. I'm not quite sure what the music and sound is going on right now. I don't think that's going to be for the show. And it's empty at the moment, apart from the concrete that is holding the corners. But I'm going to fill it to bursting is the plan, and I'll show you those things in a minute. It goes right up to the ceiling. And then you might be able to see some string hanging down, and at the bottom. So this, where all the string is, some of them are black. That one's black. It's going to be black. I've just run out and I needed to buy some more rope. But I'm going to have my hanging pods, which are the ones like these, the sort of more see-through ones. And inside there'll be colourful seeds. And there's going to be 3 or 4 hanging in a row. And then these are where my totem pole seed pods are going to be. So the scaffolding pole was created yesterday, and the wide base, because it needs to obviously be able to stand without being secured to the floor. So I've got 3 of those poles, and I've got 4 of the hanging ones to create a sort of forest feel, really, as you head towards my giant seed pod. There's other people constructing their parts as well, which I'll show you later on. Next week. So that's where we're up to in here. Let me show you in my studio, which is just here, which is very handy. So this is where I'm storing everything else, although actually it's not everything else, there's still stuff at home. But these bright, colourful seeds you've probably seen on my feed, these are going inside the tent, and they're all using fluorescent paint, which is and there's going to be UV lighting, so they're going to glow in the dark, is the plan. There don't look as many of these in this space, and now the tent's really big. I'm hoping I can still make it feel really bursting with life. Talking of bursting, look at this. I had several of these. I've now got cracks on them, sadly, because of the hot weather. They've expanded and broken in transit, or just sitting here actually over the weekend, which is a bit sad. I've got one here that I'm going to try and fix as well. So fortunately, because they're going to be piled up, there's as you can see, there's a back part which isn't supposed to be visible, so I'm hoping that I can still use them all. Because I haven't got time to start again with them, and just position them properly. So these are the pods that are going to go on the totem. They're going to be 6 high. Some of them are still at home. Obviously they're all black, but they're going to have bright coloured seeds inside. And then I've got a few more of the hanging ones that are going to be hanging underneath each other. So I think that's all I've got to show you today. This time next week, hopefully the inside of the tent will be done with the music and the lighting, as well as these seeds. That's my plan on the Monday, to get all that sorted, and then Tuesday I'm going to be starting with the totem pole pods and the hanging pods, and just bringing the whole thing together. So it's really exciting to sort of see it coming together. Today we have our final critique as a group, so we're all going to be looking at each other's work and spaces with our tutor, and making the final tweaks and adjustments I've already made quite a lot of adjustments, just trying to negotiate, working with others in the gallery, because obviously I don't have the whole space to myself. So I'm interested to see what more adjustments I need to make, hoping for the best, because I still have quite a bit to do. Anyway, this is where I'm at, and I will touch base with you next week. Take care. Bye.